Hello, trading has closed on September 3rd, 2025. We always start with our disclaimer, go over our calls, and then make our predictions. It's my trading plan for Thursday. Thursday is the 4th of September, 2025. Remember, it's a plan. I can change it. I can be wrong and trade it at your own risk. I'm finally going to be able to make some trades this week, but it might take me a few days to get reacquainted with things. So far, the calls we've made have been right, but usually it takes me a few days to get back into sync. Look for the pattern with the early high, which is this. Tomorrow should also have the early high. This is just a reminder of what we said. During the day, we got an ultimate sell signal here. We did trade lower. MEJT said it was false and wouldn't stick, and prices would retrace. That's already happened. The general idea is we're in magenta wave C that's going to probably end on one of these lines. That doesn't tell us what happens tomorrow. We gapped up, hit a higher high, closed under all the highs, and under the prior consolidation. That means 2 days of rally has just been backing and filling, hasn't broken through the consolidation. We also have a wall into the close. These things are often followed by gapping down and taking out the origin. So this is all negative stuff as long as this holds. But of course, if we go up, overtake this high, ideally by gapping over it, but the gap can be in either direction, that kills the pattern. So we're right on the edge of the pattern. If we stop here and go down, everything is playing out according to plan, but that we're not going to know until the open tomorrow. If we keep on going up after this, we just have to say that pattern hasn't worked, and we don't have to risk money on it until we see what happens. Because if we're right about the longer term picture, there should be plenty of chances to enter on the downside. The whole thing is whether or not this high holds or not. Well, Thursday's pattern has the early high regardless of where we open. Typically it is a bearish day with a low in the final hour, but if it's strong, we should see more strength in the days to come. Now we gapped up, hit a higher high, but closed under an early high. We couldn't manage to beat this. And if maintained, if you don't go over that early, it's a bearish pattern. It should lead to lower prices tomorrow. It doesn't tell us where we close though. The wall into the close often is followed by gapping down, trading under its origin. But if we gap and overtake this high, it kills the whole pattern. I just can't rule that out. So long as last week's high holds, we should be in for a sizable decline over the near to intermediate term. Let's just see how we open tomorrow. That's my plan. I mean, if we open down here, we probably are going to start keeping on dropping. We take this out, we're going to have to look for a more plausible entry. It's a pattern with the early high tomorrow, and that's today's call.